what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town.
Hi guys, welcome to Rich Biz Life's Adventures. Now, one of my neighbours' brothers just bought a van and he's asked me to have a look around it. So when we was looking around it, we discovered a few issues, and it's a little bit of a warning to everybody. It's nothing too major, but I'll just show you around it now. So we've got Mark and his dad Dave. We're going to start doing some work on it now, but I'll just show you what we've got the issues with on this van. Now, the van looks absolutely sensational. It's a little Transit Custom high top short wheelbase. It's been really nicely converted until you start looking into the depths of it. Let me show you what I mean. That's a lovely van, absolutely stunning van. But when you do that, look, no sound deadening, no insulation, nothing. Now he's done the back doors. The difference there, look. And when you pull some of the panels back, there is no insulation on there whatsoever. So at the moment, we got Mark and his dad Dave doing hello. So they're on the process now of taking all the interior out and doing as much as they can of insulation, sound deadening, vapor barrier, all that. So they're going to take all the roof out, all the wall linings off the best they can, all the cabinetry, and plus we can't find a mains charger for the battery for when they're on shoreline. So we're going to see if we can find that and go from there. So we start off taking the seat out, taking the side cabinets out, and then the roof lining and so on. Got the chair out, that is feeding itself because everything, we don't know how everything's been put together, and all the board, the cupboard section and underneath. So now we're going to disconnect the batteries and the electrics and make a start on getting this light out.
You used to have a camper van, now we've got a van. So we dead matted and all in there and then covered it with insulation and just got to put a sheet over there. All the sound deadening on inside over there, all rolled, and just starting up on here. Still got a good bit to do though, all these side bits. We're getting there.
It's all been insulated, sound deadened. Then they've got vapour barrier to go back on. Just getting there. Putting a diesel heater in because it didn't have any form of heating. Been and bought a Victron multiplus. I haven't. Mark has. He's spending all his money fast. I've had nothing to do with his spending habits. So he's got a Victron multiplus 12-835, which is going to be ample for what he wants. And now what we're doing is just bringing an access hatch for putting the air ducting through before we fit units back in and etc. At least you still got a smile on your face, Mark.
It's only for the camera.
Yeah.
So I've been rolling all the matting down. Just got a couple more bits to go. Dad filled in this, that's all put away now. Just got a nice new battery to go in there. What else are we doing? Oh, this bit, filled that in, put a black sheet and some Celotex in there so you can't see. You could see the Celotex from the window, like, 'cause you can see in there, can't you? So yeah, put some blackening out and then Celotex in, so you can't see that now. Dad popped us on one of these the other day. So external TV port, just in case the signal's poo when you get on site. But yeah, that's where we're at. So we're Dad's put all the carpet back, insulation into them side bits, drilled the hole for the diesel heater, just put the brackets on the solar panel, got some 25mm Celotex for the roof. What else have we done? I've just got up on here, just marking the holes now. So yeah, cracking on. What else we got today? Oh, Ian sorted out some cables, are a little bit more tidy. Then did run another cable here for the canopy light before we put that in. Got some cable and bits and bobs today for the multiplus, and took her out for a spin as well today, just to make sure the battery's still starting. So, oh, hello again. Here we are. So the latest bit, we drilled that hole and we fitted the diesel heater on the floor now. And put the pump underneath the car, so I've just got to connect that up to the diesel tank. Looks like Dad's been busy with some wiring going to here. Big old fuse there. Looks like it's going to the battery. Very nice. I think that's about it since last time we were here. Hello, alright. So today, me and Dad popped that panel back in. Started doing a bit of wiring, trying to put these in there, but there weren't enough wire on there, so we'll leave that for today. But I have to nibble a bit off of the top there because of the insulation now. Just sits it back down a bit. I'm just wedging a bit of stuff in there best we can. So yeah, keep doing a little bit. just putting a bit of fuel back in her. We've got the fridge back in. And that. Can you hear that? Oh, that's warm, man. Bed's back in. On P5. Nice and warm.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city.